Are you looking for the best DIY 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best DIY 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Anycubic Kobra. The Anycubic Kobra is a versatile auto-leveling 3D printer designed for ease of use and consistent performance. It features a 25-point precise leveling system that automatically adjusts the print bed for optimal first-layer adhesion, saving time and reducing setup hassles. With a build volume of 8.7 inches by 8.7 inches by 9.84 inches, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, it offers a decent print size for most hobbyist and light professional projects. The self-developed direct drive extruder delivers smooth and precise filament feeding, making it ideal for flexible materials like TPU, as well as standard filaments such as PLA, ABS, and PETG. Its heated magnetic bed ensures strong adhesion during printing and easy model removal afterward. The printer combines user-friendly features, reliable performance, and affordability, making it a great option for beginners and enthusiasts alike. However, since it's built with some budget components and a modest build volume, it may not be suitable for industrial-scale printing or high-temperature materials. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra stands out as a well-rounded and cost-effective 3D printer with impressive automatic leveling and extrusion precision. Number 2. Official Creality Ender 3v2. The Creality Ender 3v2 is an upgraded DIY 3D printer designed to deliver reliable and high-quality printing performance for beginners and enthusiasts alike. It offers a build volume of 8.66 inches by 8.66 inches by 9.84 inches, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. This model features a silent 32-bit motherboard for quieter operation, along with a branded Meanwell power supply that ensures stable and safe power delivery. Its carborundum glass platform provides excellent adhesion during printing and allows for easy model removal once the print is complete. The printer also includes a resume printing function that lets you continue your project after a power outage, reducing the risk of wasted prints. Although the Ender 3v2 does not come with automatic bed leveling, it offers manual leveling that is simple and precise. Compatible with materials like PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, this printer delivers excellent versatility and print quality. Combining solid construction, reliable performance, and user-friendly design, the Creality Ender 3v2 remains one of the best choices in its price range for anyone seeking a dependable and quiet 3D printing experience. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v2 Neo. The Creality Ender 3v2 Neo is an upgraded and user-friendly 3D printer that combines reliability, convenience, and precision. It features a build volume of 8.66 inches by 8.66 inches by 9.84 inches, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, and comes 95% pre-assembled, allowing users to start printing quickly with minimal setup. One of its standout upgrades is the CR Touch auto-leveling system, which performs a 16-point bed leveling process to ensure accurate first layers and consistent print quality. The PC-coated spring steel platform offers excellent adhesion during printing and easy model removal after cooling, while the full metal extruder improves filament feeding and durability. The printer also includes a 4.3-inch color screen with a model preview function, a silent 32-bit motherboard for quieter operation, and a resume printing feature that lets you continue prints after power interruptions. Compatible with popular materials like PLA, PETG, and ABS, the Ender 3v2 Neo provides smooth and dependable performance. Overall, it's an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists looking for an affordable yet feature-rich 3D printer with auto-leveling, sturdy construction, and enhanced usability. Number 4. Creality Ender 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 is a fully open-source DIY 3D printer known for its affordability, reliability, and strong community support. It offers a build volume of 8.66 inches by 8.66 inches by 9.84 inches, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, making it suitable for a wide range of printing projects. The printer features a heated bed that allows printing with various filaments such as PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, while its Bowden-style extruder ensures consistent extrusion performance. One of its standout features is the resume printing function, which lets you continue printing after a power outage or interruption, reducing wasted time and materials. As a fully open-source printer, the Ender 3 gives users the freedom to modify firmware, upgrade components, and experiment with custom enhancements, which has led to a large and active community sharing improvements and tips. Though it requires manual bed leveling and assembly, the Ender 3 delivers impressive print quality and dependability for its price, making it an excellent entry-level choice for beginners and hobbyists eager to learn the fundamentals of 3D printing. Number 5. Creality Ender 5S1 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 5S1 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and makers seeking speed, precision, and versatility. It features a build volume of 220 by 220 by 280 millimeters, providing ample space for most home and hobby projects. The printer boasts a sturdy all-metal cube frame and a dual-gear Sprite direct drive extruder with an all-metal hot end capable of reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with a wide range of filaments including PLA, PETG, ABS, and TPU. Equipped with CR Touch auto leveling, resume printing after power loss, and filament runout detection, it offers convenience and reliability for uninterrupted printing. With a top print speed of up to 250 mm per second and high acceleration settings, the Ender 5S1 delivers both speed and quality, making it an excellent choice for users looking for a feature-rich and upgrade-ready 3D printer for home or professional use.